Tara Jacobson, Marketing Artfully. Real quick today, I want to show you how to print an Etsy shipping label. I know that people have questions about this a lot in the in-person classes that I teach, and I think it feels intimidating, but it's really easy to do once you're in the swing. I had two orders. One I've already printed the shipping label out for, and then I have this other one, and I thought, oh my gosh, I'll show you guys how to do it. So I have my customer's name and her address covered up, so you won't see those. You'll see them on your real shipping labels. You're going to click this, and then you're going to have some options. You could extend the ship by date if you needed to. You could mark this in progress. That's really a neat feature that Etsy just added, to especially for the handmade sellers, to show that you have it in process, but you're not ready to ship it. Maybe to say to yourself you've started it. But I just need to get a shipping label. $5.15 is what the lady paid for shipping. And now you're going to see that my shipping label, let's see, let's make it 14 ounces, is actually only $4.38 because Etsy has negotiated with the United States Postal Service to get us discounted shipping rates. I have a lot of people asking if they should refund that difference. So number one, it's below $1. I tend to refund shipping differences over, sometimes over $2, but always over $4. The reason for that being, if I'm shipping a large package and there's a $4 difference, I have bubble wrap, I have packaging material, I have tissue paper, I have clean fill, I have lots of expenses. And it's not that I'm just, oh, I got that lady's dollar, but what that does is it helps to really make sure that her package gets to her safely. Another thing is that you could add ship insurance, and I do this on items that are over $50. This is a small set of dinner tongs, asparagus tongs, and the box size is actually 8 by 6 by 6, which I know, 8 by 6 by 4, excuse me. And that is just the size of the box. So let's go ahead and hit confirm and buy. Once purchased, $4.38 will be added to your Etsy bill. I'm going to go ahead and click purchase. Print a shipping label. And this is going to be printed out. You could do it 2 up on 2 2-a-page labels. I bought 2,000 labels when I started a couple years ago. And so, of course, that's 2,000 shipments, right? Because 1,000 shipping labels do on a page. And I still haven't used them up. And I think it was like 25 bucks. Best money I ever spent. You're not trying to ship it, like print it out and then tape or do anything like that. I'll put a link to that below. And then also I am going to print a packing slip. And, oh, this one was a gift. Excellent. So this is really different. Normally, it's just the buyer's address and then information about it, but I'm glad this came up. What happens with this is that the lady is sending a gift. So what I do is I fold it up. So normally I would print out the whole page. I write, thanks, Tara, and I put the Tara up. But this time I will fold it up so that's on top. She'll still get the rest of it, but it almost looks like a little card, which is super, super fun. And I put those in there, and I probably will put the address. I like to have the buyer's address or the mailing address in the box so that if anything happens, to the mailing label, the post office can still deliver it to them. So hopefully this helps. Tara Jacobson, Marketing Artfully. If you like this kind of video about Etsy or marketing, make sure to hit subscribe. And if you're already subscribed and you want to get first notification that I've made videos, make sure to hit the bell icon and YouTube will tell you.